दशल उपचार सामुदायिक रेडियो स्टेशन पर दोस्तों बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज का स्वागत थोड़ा ब्लिसफुल है। सलाम शक्ति की बात हम जब भी करते हैं तो किसी एक शक्ति की कहानी से न जाने कितनी अनगिनत कहानियां शुरू होने के लिए तैयार हो जाती है। शक्ति का अर्थ है एक ऐसी महिला की कहानी जिसने अपनी शक्ति को पहचाना होगा, जाना होगा, माना होगा और उसके बाद जब उसकी कहानी शुरू हुई तो जमाना उसके साथ चलना शुरू हो गया। सलाम शक्ति में हम ऐसी ही महिलाओं की कहानियां आपके साथ साझा करते हैं जिनकी कहानियों से न केवल प्रेरणा मिलती है लेकिन आई थिंक देयर इज अ वे थ्रू, देयर इज अ रोड मैप एंड देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ कैरिज्मा इनसाइड। सितारों के आगे जहां और भी है, अभी इम्तिहान और भी है। आज ऐसे ही हुनर की बात होगी जहां उस हुनर के द्वारा वो एक पूरे परिवार को संभालने की, उसकी बागडोर को देखने की एक बहुत बड़ी जर्नी को तय करते हैं। आज की इस जर्नी तय करने वाली शक्ति से करते हैं मुलाकात। मैम हार्टिएस्ट वेलकम टू रेडियो सलाम, नमस्ते। एंड इट इज इक्वली अ ब्लिसफुल मोमेंट व्हेन वी आर टेकिंग दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू कन्वर्स विद यू। आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे सुनने वालों को अपने बारे में कुछ बताएं।
Thank you, Varsha, so much. It's an honor to be here and sharing my story, sharing my, which is very close to my heart, supporting the mothers and the new families and in their most important and vulnerable transitional time in their lives, right? So I'm very grateful to have
You have a very blissful smile. I must compliment you on that. So before we begin, आपके नाम के साथ कौन सी आइडेंटिटी है जो आप दुनिया से शेयर करते हैं, वो हमारे सुनने वालों को भी शेयर करें।
Well, I would say दीप्ति। दीप्ति का मतलब होता है रोशनी, and I'm really up to this. This is my purpose. Like I can spread the light and really empower all the mothers, all the new families, so that they can have a beautiful start of their new families and have a continuous care till while they are raising the babies.
Wonderful. यानी परिवार में जब एक नया मेंबर आ जाए तो फिर सारे मेंबर्स का ख्याल रखना और हमेशा के लिए उनको तैयार रखना, एंड देन ऑल सेट गो वाला एक माहौल बन जाए। So we got to know about Everbliss from you. So now the first thing which we would like to know from you and share it with our listeners, Everbliss की journey कैसे शुरू हुई? How did the name come into and how did the journey start with?
Okay, sure. So Everbliss comes from a very small observation, Varsha. We know that when babies are born, mothers are born too, right? And but while celebrating the babies, mothers keep navigating how to handle the postpartum, how to handle the breastfeeding, and the life with the new baby, their own healing, nutrition, with a lot of conflicting advices and a lot of confusions, of course, right? So, and I'm certain that same was my story, and I'm sure that this is the story of most of the mothers in India, of course. Right, so and you know what? In this whole journey, postpartum becomes very normal, and I'm sorry to say that it is not normal at all, and it is not luxury. It is a necessity, right? And that's how Everbliss was born, to change the cultural mindset that this is not the way it has to be, and because everybody knows that this is not the way. We know that this, whatever the maternal culture is here and the care is taken care, is not 10 on 10, and there is a gap. But nobody knows the solution. Right? But nobody knows the solution, so that's why it is keep going. वो चलता जा रहा है, right? और किसी को पता नहीं है कि किसको रोकना कैसे है। अच्छा, हम और क्या नया लेके आए?
जी,
right? तो Everbliss, इसीलिए there was, Everbliss was born to change that cultural mindset.
Okay.
Right? And bringing the maternal continuous care right from pregnancy till the baby turns 1.
Okay. Great.
Right? And then
मतलब पहले साल तक हम आपके मेंटोर और आपका और आपका परिवार एक साथ मिलकर कदम से कदम और USP। So if I say ऐसी क्या चीज है जो हर फैमिली में Everbliss उसका फैमिली मेंबर बन जाता है, क्या खास और क्या खासम खास बताएं।
Okay, so when we say Everbliss has anyways the energy of divine energy of blissfulness, where every family is, not only happy. It's the highest state of happiness and joy, right?
Yes.
So there is no in between the family. I'm like, when I'm saying that my Everbliss is one of the brand which is working on maternal continuity care. When we say that, that means that, right from the hospital, when the mother reaches home and beyond, they get the whole family gets the hand holding and the support, right? So there is no fragmentation. There's a continuous care their mothers are getting. And the outcome is that the result what they are getting is that they don't have to navigate anything. As I said earlier, that when the baby is born, the mother is born too. They don't have to navigate and find out.
This is beautiful. When the baby is born, the mother is also born.
Absolutely. Right. And generally we celebrate baby and mother, keep
it's part of that. Right?
Yeah. We don't focus on mothers much, and ये कहा जाता है कि इतना दर्द तो होता ही है, ये तो होता ही है, एक्सपेक्टेड है, इतना जो आप सहन करो ये तो होता ही है बेबी के बाद, इतना तो होता ही है. But that's what I said, कि it's not a luxury. If you have someone with you and walking this journey with you, it's not like you're living a very luxurious life.
Correct.
Then only you can have. Every family should have the access to a continuous care, because raising a baby doesn't mean that you have to navigate any path alone and unknown कि अब आगे क्या होगा मुझे नहीं पता है. हर पॉइंट पे आपकी प्रेगनेंसी खत्म हो रही है तब हम साथ में हैं, आपकी ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग सपोर्ट शुरू हो रही है तब हम साथ में हैं, जब बेबी खाना खाना शुरू हो रहा है तब हम साथ में हैं, जब आप रिज्यूम करने जा रहे हैं वर्क को तब हम साथ में हैं. तो जब हम आपकी फाउंडेशन को, ये फर्स्ट ईयर है जो आप कहते हैं ना, जैसे WHO और यूनिसेफ कहते हैं कि 1000 days इतने इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं.
1000 days are very important.
राइट. तो जब हम आपकी फॉर्मेटिव ईयर्स को, फाउंडेशनल ईयर्स को इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग कर देंगे तब आप डेफिनेटली एवरब्लिस फील करेंगे.
डेफिनेटली. आई थिंक दिस इज वेरी वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. और मुझे लगता है कि जो आपने रीबॉर्न की बात की, पूरी फैमिली का एक रीबर्थ होता है, और अगर वो मेंटोर अगर रीबर्थ के न्यू फेज में स्टेज टू स्टेज एंड स्टेप टू स्टेप, ये बहुत खूबसूरत है ना. एंड दिस इज वेरी रिक्वायर्ड स्पेशली फॉर एवरी फैमिली. I think in India and across beyond the horizon of India, across the world, every family needs a mentor and a friend like Everbliss. I think we should give you a thank you on behalf of all the listeners who are listening to us, that Everbliss kind of initiatives are required very much. तो अब हमने जाना Everbliss क्या है, Everbliss क्या करता है, कहाँ तक पहुँचता है. कोई सक्सेस स्टोरी जरूर बताइए मैम, because while I have been talking to you, I could see a twinkle in your eye. I could see a heart from, heart glowing with smile and glowing with, I'm sure you must be having a lot of success stories, but share with us one where we can really feel that, somebody had the tears of happiness just because Everbliss was there. Ji.
Sure. I know that, when we witness any transformation, that's the kind of a work, it gives a lot of happiness when you see that, oh, really you're happy, really it worked with you, and you just, walked the journey beautifully with us. Very recently, one Aram, which you were telling about, it's one of the program, which is a maternal continuity care program, and in which we week by week we support the mothers and the families and then guide them through. So when by the end of the program, what the father said, it's the first time when fathers are also expressing, right,
their own initiative. You as a female, you initiated your own blissful dream to help other families. ये एक बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ है मैम, which will go like a message to all the females. अक्सर हम सोच के दायरे में रह जाते हैं, सोचते हैं, बहुत सोचते हैं, बहुत सोचते हैं, लेकिन वो सोच जो है वो बंद किवाड़ों के पीछे कहीं छुप जाती है, और हम ये एहसास नहीं कर पाते कि ये हमारी अपनी पहचान बन सकती है, ये मेरी आइडेंटिटी बन सकती है, आइडेंटिटी से बढ़कर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप बन सकती है, गली मोहल्ले का एक किस्सा बन सकता है, पूरे देश भर की कहानी बन सकती है, पूरे ग्लोब का एक इंस्पिरेशन बन सकता है. हमें उस सोच से यहाँ तक आने में बहुत बड़ा सफर लग जाता है. आप ऑलमोस्ट उसी सफर पर हैं, और मुझे लगता है कि बहुत सामने है आपकी दुनिया का बहुत बड़ा विंडो. योर मैसेज टू दी वुमेन, जब वो सोच तक खुद में स्ट्रगल कर रही हैं, अपनी जर्नी तय करने के लिए फीमेल्स को क्या करना चाहिए?
What I would say, Varsha, is अपना पर्पस, अपना ड्रीम को कभी भी सप्रेस नहीं करना चाहिए, कभी भी नहीं करिए. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आज आपने सपना देखा हो वो कल पूरा हो जाए. But just stay there and believe and it will come back to you, because universe पे जब आप ये कह देते हैं कि ये मुझे चाहिए, तो यूनिवर्स काम करना शुरू कर देता है, right? And whenever you're just ready with that, the right people, the right situations keep coming to you, and you will feel like magic. अरे ये इन्हीं को तो मैं ढूंढ,
यही तो हम चाह रहे थे,
right? So my message to them, all the women who are dreaming and they're, it's inside, they haven't even told to anyone, right? My message to them especially, that keep working on your dreams, keep working on your dreams, and stay with your purpose and believe that this is happening, no matter whatever the situations are coming to you and making you believe कि ये तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी, but still वो belief बना के रखना, never give up.
Wonderful. You gave us a Shahrukh Khan feeling right now. I think मुझे एक बहुत खूबसूरत चीज यहाँ भी याद आ रही है. It is either one day, एक दिन होगा ना होगा, या फिर day one, आज से मेरी शुरुआत हो गई. So you have to choose it is day one or it is like you waiting for one day. और आपने मंजिल के लिए भी बहुत खूबसूरत सा कहा कि आपको अपनी मंजिलें खुद बनानी पड़ेंगी, सोचना पड़ेगा कि ये सपना मेरे लिए जरूरी है, इससे मेरी मंजिल बनेगी. और I think you gave us such a big road map for a lot of women to start their journeys. Our last question for our interaction for the day. आखिरी चीज हम आपसे जरूर जानना चाहेंगे, what's next? Ever Bliss की जर्नी में नया क्या है जहाँ लोग आपके साथ जुड़ सकते हैं? Do share us your connect points, your email, your number, where people would definitely want to connect with you. Yeah.
Sure. So this year is very exciting for Ever Bliss, and we are working on many things, and we are bringing. So the first thing is what we want to bring in is a lot of awareness, because still we feel that most of the families do not, they don't know that the support exists for breastfeeding, for postpartum, and the infant nutrition.
Yes.
The support, the real evidence-based, science-based support is existing.
Yes.
So our aim is to reach to each and every family through awareness.
Okay.
And secondly, we also want, what we are doing is we are partnering with a lot of mentors and experts. And they are masters in their craft, and then we are working with them so that the horizon of the expertise is available to the new families.
Yes.
Right? And then also we are scaling up in education in a way where we are developing a lot of programs, and also creating valuable learning resources, so that across India it is what is available to the new families is structured guidance support. It's a structured one, not like कभी भी कहीं से कुछ भी नहीं आएगा, आपको बस system से सब कुछ मिलेगा, and whatever you haven't thought of, you will get it.
Wonderful.
Right? So
you name it, we have it.
You name it and we have it, right? And the programs is I would love to share that what we are working with is the major 3 programs we are working with especially for the new mothers. Is one is Shubh Agman. Shubh Agman is when we are preparing the new parents for the natural birth and welcoming the baby with grace.
Wonderful.
Right? And the second one is Aram, which we talked about earlier also. It is a continuity care program for the complete postpartum recovery, maternal nutrition, everything is there. And rebuilding the pre-pregnancy health, going back to that health, which when the mother is really recovered and feeling very empowered and confident. And then also the third one is we call Anprashan. So that is when the baby starts the new food until the baby turns 1, and we celebrate the first birthday with them. So that's the journey, and these are the programs, and we are definitely on for back integration and the forward integration after 1 year and before the pre-pregnancy. So that's how we are coming up, and of course we believe that when the parents are supported, babies thrive
Yes.
and the families flourish.
Wonderful. That's how it works.
That's how it works.
Correct, correct.
Right?
Thank you so much. It was really wonderful talking to you. I think इस वाले पक्ष पर सोचने वालों की बहुत कमी है. To be very honest, हमें लगता है कि इस चीज की जरूरत है